Hi, everyone. Today, let's take a quick look at a small but important process inside smartphone manufacturing, laser surface roughening. The white plastic piece you see here is part of the phone's internal back cover. Before applying glue for bonding, we use a laser to roughen specific areas on the surface. Why do we do this? Because laser roughening creates a micro-textured surface, increases friction, improves adhesive strength, and ensures a stronger, more reliable bond. These gray areas you see are exactly where the laser has passed, precise, clean, and perfectly controlled along the edges. It may look like a small step, but it plays a big role in the overall stability and durability of the device. That's the power of laser technology in manufacturing. Precision, efficiency, and better reliability in every detail.